Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, March 22nd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. What you're going to see here is we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 14.5 points to 28.48 per contract. It looks like we have some terrible weak European data coming out today, and European markets are getting hit. That is certainly weighing on the U.S. markets today. You also have bond yields now trading down around 2.476%. They're down another 6 basis points this morning. So again, that is all weighing on the market. Is the bond market flashing a recession? Is it telling us there's big trouble ahead? We'll see how it plays out. All right, in the meantime, though, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We're going to start off with a big one today, NKE, which is Nike. Stock is trading at $83.95, closed at $88.01. I will have gap levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room for Nike. Right now, when I look at the stock, I still think there's potentially a little bit more downside in the cards. We'll see how it plays out. Nike right now still trading above the $83 level at $83.95. But this is a pretty nice little sell-off. So we'll see if we get a little bit more downside. If we do, we'll have a nice trade out there for you in Nike. Yesterday, we had another very solid day in the intraday stock chat room. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, join us. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you can trade right alongside of us. Next up, we want to take a look at Tiffany. Tiffany right now trading at $95.65, down from $100.06 at yesterday's close. So we got a nice little haircut there as well. We'll keep this one on the radar. I do see the 50-day moving average right around the $91 level. So there could be some support there. I would lean more towards the $89, $88.75 level for support. I think that's a bigger area if it does get there. So keep that on the radar. I'll try to have some other levels out there for you. Next up, we want to take a look at CTAS, which is Cintas. This stock right now trading at $204, closed at $208.12. So again, little haircut there. No levels in play yet, but we want to keep it on the radar today. That one could be in play a little bit later in the session. Next up, let's take a look at HIBB, which is Hibbett Sports. This right now trading at $23 a share, closed at $18.04. This is a very good move for Hibbett, so we'll see where it goes. Right now, I haven't had a chance to do enough work on this one. There's a lot of resistance around the $25 area should it get up there, so keep that on the radar. Next up, let's take a look at ZUO. This is kind of a new issue, so we don't have a whole lot of data for it. Stock closed yesterday at $24.33, now trading at $21.80, so definitely a pretty good haircut there. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Like I said, if you look at this on a bigger time frame, it's a new issue. We don't really have a whole lot of data. So again, I'd rather let this open up, and then we'll look for some levels there, but this will be in play as well. Next up, we want to take a look at JKS, which is Jinko Solar. This stock right now trading at $18.58, closed at $19.61. So a little bit of a haircut there. I'm not sure I see a level right off the bat here, but again, that will be in play today. Boeing also coming under early pressure. Stock is trading at $368.70. That will weigh on the Dow. Remember, this closed at $372.74 yesterday, so it's definitely selling off a little bit here this morning. So we want to keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at some upgrades. LITE was upgraded today. Nice pop there. Stock is trading at $54.59, closed at $52.10. This actually could run. This stock does have running ability. If the market can gain some momentum, this can actually go maybe into the $60 level. So if you own this, trail the stop loss, but see if it can ride up a little bit. Best Buy with another upgrade today. That stock's been holding up well. Right now trading at $71.90, closed at $70.56. So not a big move in the pre-market here. A lot of resistance around 75 for Best Buy, but nonetheless holding up nicely. Let's take a look at Lululemon. I believe this was downgraded. Stock closed yesterday at $148.91. It is now trading at $145.60. So again, this is under a little bit of pressure here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it gives us there. Next up, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $4.40 to $1,311.70 an ounce. All in all, if you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at around 123.89. So really no activity in the GLD yet. But we will be looking at this once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at the crude oil market. Crude oil getting hit a little bit today, down 73 cents at the moment to $59.25 a barrel. All in all, crude down. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at $12.31, down from $12.44. So there you have it. It's pretty much everything out here. Futures right now down about 15 points. So we'll see what this market gives us. And once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a dynamite 2018. We got some good volatility out here this morning. Should be some good action. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you all a little bit later on the charts.